Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI Optix G32C4W 32-inch FHD curved gaming monitor, a large display built for smooth, immersive gameplay. This monitor features a 1500R curved screen that gently wraps around your field of view, helping pull you deeper into the action. Whether you're gaming, watching content, or just browsing, the curve adds a more engaging feel compared to flat panels. It runs at a 165 Hz refresh rate with a fast 1 millisecond response time, delivering fluid motion and quick responsiveness during fast-paced games. Movements feel smooth, and quick reactions register clearly on screen. AMD FreeSync support also helps reduce screen tearing and stuttering for a more consistent experience. The 32-inch size gives you a big, cinematic presence, and the slim bezel design makes it suitable for multi-monitor setups. Eye care features like anti-flicker technology and reduced blue light help make longer sessions more comfortable. One thing to keep in mind is that it uses a 1080p resolution, which prioritizes performance and affordability over ultra-sharp pixel density at this size. Overall, this is a solid option for gamers who want a large, curved display with high refresh performance at a competitive price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.